everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. So today in this video, I have created a wonderful automation setup with Pabbly Connect. I've simply created connection between WhatsApp Cloud API and Google Sheets, and whenever I'm going to receive messages in my WhatsApp, I'm automatically adding all these messages in an organized format in my Google Sheets spreadsheet. We are going to check this automation workflow once. For that, I will be sending message in my WhatsApp, and if I capture the response in my Google Sheets spreadsheet, then this means this automation workflow is working fine. I'm going to open my WhatsApp here. I'm going to send this message, hey, I'm interested in Pabbly Connect's automation, please guide me. I have sent this message. Let me quickly open my Google Sheets spreadsheet. And here it is, we have added the data. You can see the phone number, the name and the message. This is the same exact message which we have sent. Hey, I'm interested in Pabbly Connect's automation. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. And now to learn how you can create this, then let's start creating this from the beginning. So what if I say that every WhatsApp message which you receive gets automatically organized in your Google Sheets spreadsheet without you lifting any finger? So with Pabbly Connect, you can entirely automate this process. You can collect the lead details, collect the feedback, collect the customer queries without any manual work. So now let me show you how this game changer automation actually works. So here in this video, we are going to see how we can collect the responses sent by our customers in our WhatsApp to our Google Sheets automatically and instantly. And for this, we are going to use this wonderful automation software, which is Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com in your browser. Now, before we sign into our Pabbly account, let me quickly take you towards Pabbly community. So you can join this Pabbly community to connect with business owners, experts, and the Pabbly support team. You can share tips, ask questions, and get quick solutions to your automation challenges. You can stay updated on latest features and collaborate with thousands of users who help and support each other every day. Now, if you want to learn how you can join this community, then please check out the link given in the description. Let's move back towards Pabbly. Now, after browsing this website, we need to sign into our Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in, and if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in. And here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'm going to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And here it has taken me towards this dashboard where I will be able to find all my workflows over here and all the folders which I have created over here. Now, if you want to create a new folder, simply click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and I need to select my workflow builder. We have this new beta, which is modern, faster and more flexible one, and then we have this classic, which is a stable and a familiar approach. I'm going to select this new beta, and then I'm going to name this workflow as Connect WhatsApp and Google Sheets to collect responses, and now I need to select my folder. These are the folders which have been created. I'm going to select it as WhatsApp automations and then click on create. So here you will see workflow created successfully. Now, as soon as I click on create, this box has appeared in front of me where I need to enter the trigger application. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger step in a workflow, but as many as action steps as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to connect WhatsApp with Google Sheets to collect responses, which means whenever I'm going to receive a new message in my WhatsApp, it should be added to my Google Sheets spreadsheet with the name, phone number, and the particular message. Which means whenever I'm going to receive a new message on my WhatsApp, this complete workflow here will get triggered, because trigger basically activates or triggers any workflow. So here in my trigger application, I will be taking WhatsApp Cloud API, and then in my action application, I will be taking Google Sheets, because from this WhatsApp Cloud API, I have to move towards or add the data which I have received from WhatsApp to Google Sheets. Here in my trigger application, let me quickly take WhatsApp Cloud API. And in my trigger event, I'm going to select it as message notification and then click on connect. Now over here, I need to connect my WhatsApp Cloud API with Pabbly Connect, and I'm provided a webhook URL. So here it is written, please follow the steps explained under WhatsApp Cloud API notification section. I'm provided a hyperlink which I'm going to open, and it has taken me towards the forum page of Pabbly. Now if I scroll down, I'm provided the step-by-step guide to follow to build this connection. So first, I'm going to open Meta for Developers simply by typing developers.facebook.com. And after landing towards this page, on the top where you can see all these options, I have to go towards this My Apps, where I have created the application which I'm going to open. And this application has opened in front of me. I have landed towards the app dashboard. Now on the left hand side where you can see all these options, I have this WhatsApp, and in this WhatsApp we have this configuration. So I'm going to open this configuration. If I go back towards the forum page of Pabbly, here it is written, if you have a setup application, then find the WhatsApp product and click configuration, then find the webhook section on the left and click configure a webhook. So I'm going to go back towards this page. And it says that I have to provide the callback URL and verify token. So over here it is written that I have to copy the webhook URL from the step 2. So over here I'm provided the webhook URL. I'm going to copy this first, and I'm going to remove the previously existing webhook URL, and I'm going to paste the webhook URL which I've just copied. And then over here it is written verify token. Enter Pabbly FB webhook token in this field. So I'm simply going to copy this and paste that to my verified token. Now after this, it is written that after adding the information, click verify and save. Back in the app dashboard, click WhatsApp configuration. In the left side panel under the webhook, click manage. A dialog box will open with all the objects you can get notified about. To receive messages from the users, click subscribe for messages as shown below. So if I open my configuration page, if I scroll down over here, I have this option of messages. So I'm going to unsubscribe this first to show you. You simply have to go towards the messages, and then you have to toggle on this button to subscribe this. Once it is subscribed, simply click on this verify and save. Let's go back towards forum page. Then it is written, once you subscribe to messages event, you can hit the test button to get the test data captured in your workflow. Let's go back. So we have added the callback URL, we have added the verify token, we have verified and saved, and then we move back, and after all this process was saved, here I have subscribed to this messages. So after that you save and verify, it is going to remain same, your verify token and the webhook URL. So you simply need to click on this test, and then you simply have to click on this send to server. A test data will be sent from here to your Pabbly Connect workflow, and if you receive this test data, then this means the process which you have just done for creating this setup, adding the webhook URL, verify token, and toggling on this message to subscribed, then this process is working fine. We are going to go back towards our workflow and check whether we have received any test data there or not. And here it is, we can see that 5 seconds ago itself we have received the test data. So I have received the message is, this is a text message. Then I have received the rest of the dummy details. So as I have received the test data, we can say that setup is working fine. Now I'm going to click on this recapture webhook response, and do you wish to recapture the response? I'm going to click on this yes. Now I'm going to send a message from my WhatsApp number to this, and we are going to check whether I'm going to receive the response here or not. So I'm going to write a message like, hello, could you please help me know about Pabbly Connect? I'm going to send this message, and as I send this message, I should capture the response in my workflow. I'm going to open my workflow. Let's wait for the webhook response, and we have captured response B also 6 seconds ago, which means as soon as we have sent the data or the message. So if I scroll down over here, this is the message which I have sent. Hello, could you please help me know about Pabbly Connect? If I scroll further, I have received my phone number and my name. So here, as soon as we have sent the message from my WhatsApp, I have received that response here in this workflow, and this shows the connection setup which we have created between Pabbly Connect and WhatsApp Cloud API. That is working fine. Now moving on towards the next step, whenever I receive a new message on my WhatsApp, I want to add that to my Google Sheets spreadsheet. So I'm simply going to click on this add new action step, and in my action application, I'm going to search for Google Sheets. In my action event, I'm going to select it as add new row and then click on connect. So if you have an existing connection, go with save. If you don't have one, click on this add new connection, then click on the sign in with Google. Here you need to choose your Google account with which you have logged in your Google Sheets. And after choosing that account, you simply need to click on this allow to grant away the permissions. Your data is completely safe with Pabbly Connect, so you can do this. Here, Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect and I have to enter all these details. First, I'm going to select the spreadsheet. So this is the spreadsheet which I've created by the name data collection. So I'm going to select the same spreadsheet from here. And then you will see all the fields which I have created in this Google Sheet spreadsheet are appearing here: name, phone and message. Now I'm going to enter all these details, the details which I have captured from this WhatsApp. So over here, I'm not going to enter any of the details like this manually. Instead, I'm going to use a method called mapping, which means I'm going to enter the data from the previous response. Now here you see when we click on this field, I can see this WhatsApp Cloud API. When I click on this, I can see all the response which I have received from there. I'm going to enter my name first, and then I'm going to enter the phone number. And then I'm going to enter the message. So the message was, could you please help me know about Pabbly Connect? Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in this field. Manually entering the data will make this field static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Now over here, if I manually enter any detail, this field will become static and every time I receive a new response, the result will not change. So as to keep this field dynamic, we use this process mapping instead of manually entering the details. Now after entering all these details, I'm simply going to execute this workflow. I'm going to click on save and send test request. And here it is, I have received the response. So this response is a positive one. Let me quickly open my spreadsheet and check whether all the details are added there or not. And here it is, instantly we have added all the details. The name was this, phone number was this, message was, hello, could you please help me know about Pabbly Connect? Now I'm quickly going to send another message so as to check whether it is working fine or not. Hey, I'm testing this workflow. Let's send this message. I'll go back towards my spreadsheet and check whether I have added, and instantly I have added this detail. The name is same, phone number is same, and then I have received this message. Hey, I'm testing this workflow. So I'm going to send another message from some another number and we are going to check whether I'm capturing the same details in the spreadsheet from other numbers or not. So now I'm going to send another message from some other number. I'm going to send a message, hey, I got to know about Pabbly Connect smooth automations. Could you please help me know more? I'm going to send this message and let's wait whether we are going to capture the response in this spreadsheet here or not. And here it is, we have received this message also. So this is the name, this is the phone number, and they have sent this message. Hey, I got to know about Pabbly Connect smooth automations. Could you help me know more? So now to summarize, we took WhatsApp Cloud API as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect. We followed the step-by-step process which was given on forum page of Pabbly. Then we connected this WhatsApp Cloud API to Pabbly Connect. After that, we received the test response and then we recaptured the response to get the real-time response. We captured that response also and then we finally added all the details to my Google Sheet spreadsheet. So this is how this automation workflow is going to run. I have attached the link to this workflow in the description so that you can check this out. And I hope you liked this video and understood this video very well. Thanks for watching.